I'm sorry, but don't wanna talk. I need a moment before I go. It's nothing personal. I draw the blinds. They don't need to see me cry.
Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, good night. Introduce, my name is Family Maponzia. Here I am evolving and assessment in English. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. This time I will unbox both laptop Asus Core i5 AI 442U. So without further ado, let's get started unboxing, guys. First, we open the Asus laptop box. Well, it contains Asus laptop charger, and there is also a laptop. Yes, of course. There is also a whiteboard here, guys. Nih, ada dua. Two. Here I will turn on the laptop first. Guys. Okay guys, go to specification, guys. Processor Intel Core i5 8250 processor. Operating sistemnya Windows 2 Home. Operating sistemnya operating system. Operating sistemnya Windows 2 Home. Asus recommend Windows 10 Pro. Memory 4GB DDR4 2133 MHz SDRM. Display setting. Display resolutionnya 1366 times 768 guys. Display orientationnya landscape, grafik, control panel. Grafik NVIDIA GeForce 930MX with 2 GB storage. Optical drive-nya Super Multi DVD. Super Multi DVD guys. Keyboard Cycled keyboard. Battery to cell. Weightnya battery to cell 38 WH polymer battery. Weightnya 1.8 kg with battery. So that's how guys are unboxing me today. I hope guys enjoyed my unboxing video. My unboxing video will be published on Friday, so be sure to subscribe and don't forget to click on the ring button so you will not miss any notification when I upload new video. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe guys. Goodbye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.